Hello ROS developers, welcome to the ROS in 5 minutes video series by The Construct, your channel for anything ROS. I'm Rela, and in this video we'll be looking at the ROS master URI and what it means to the ROS system. So for this we'll be using the ROS Development Studio, a powerful online tool for pushing your ROS learning in a practical way. You can create a free account and do exactly what you see in this video and a lot more. So let's get started. So for this we'll create a new project. Launch that. So we launch the shell, then we see what the ROS master URI is. Okay, so we see what we have here is a complete web address consisting of an IP and a port number. Sometimes this IP part is an host name, of course, which needs to be mapped to an IP address that can be reached. So but what does this mean? So let's find out by running a ROS launch command. Okay, let's take note of this line: auto starting new master with ROS master URI, the same ROS master URI we just saw. So the ROS master URI is the address of the ROS core or the ROS master process, simply put. So let's see how can we change this address. Okay, the answer is yes. But how do we change it? First, let's get the service that launch file killed. Okay, and open a new terminal. And then the best way to have that changed is to edit the, then we go down to where we have 0. So we can have this change to 2, for example. And then we source the bash RC file to ensure that this change is implemented. So on this one, let's run the same command we ran the other time. On a new terminal now. Close this. Okay, so we can see that the ROS master URI has indeed been changed. So great. To wrap up, we have found out that the ROS master URI is the address of the ROS master process, that's the ROS core within the ROS system. And as you may know, there can be only one ROS master running, and where we have several clients, we can have them connect using this address in a multiple client environment. Still, we need to have one master running on a specific machine, and then you have other machines running ROS connected to it. And that was all. In the video description you will find all the relevant links mentioned. But before you go, remember to visit Robot Ignite Academy, our online academy where you find practical online ROS courses using simulated robots. No installation required. You also find a link to the academy in the video description. So did you like the video? If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to our channel and press the bell for a new video every day. Whether you like it or not, Please share your thoughts and questions with us in the comments area. Peace out. Odabo.